Hello and welcome to this lesson on fractions. Today we will be continuing through the section on fractions, and we'll be talking about simplifying fractions today. So if we look at this picture over here, we have a half, 2/4, 3/6, and 4/8. All of them, as you can see, have been shaded, and certain sections have been shaded in the same spot. From this picture, we can tell that these fractions are equal to one another. This also tells us that the simplest form of these fractions are half, and these are also known as equivalent fractions. So how do we simplify fractions? Well, first we need to find the highest common factor of the numerator and the denominator. So over here I have 12/18, and I need to find the highest common factor. I've written out both of the numbers factors, and as we can see that 6 will be our highest common factor. Next we need to divide the numerator and the denominator by the highest common factor. So remember, what you do to the bottom, you need to do to the top as well. So 18 divided by 6 and 12 divided by 6. This will give us a fraction of 2/3. So in its simplest form, 12/18 is equal to 2/3. I'm going to do one more example. We have 9/12. First things first, we need to find the highest common factor. Written out its factors. As we can see that the highest common factor between these two is 3. So we divide the fraction by the highest common factor. Remember, what you do to the denominator, you do to the numerator as well. So our answer there will be 3/4. So 9/12 is equal to 3/4. So here's a short little exercise. You can come back. The next section that we're going to be looking at today is the adding and subtracting of proper fractions. So when adding and subtracting a fraction, you need to make sure that the denominators are the same. So in these examples, 4/9 minus 2/9 is equal to 2/9, because the denominator is the same, and 6/12 plus 4/12 will give me 10/12. So I can immediately go to adding or subtracting the fractions from each other. But when they are not the same, as in this example over here, got 1/7 plus 3/8. The denominators are the same. I need to find the lowest common denominator. That in short just means that I need to find the lowest common multiple between the denominators. So, written out the multiples of 7 and 8. I can see that 56 will be my lowest common denominator, or LCD. Next, I will need to multiply the numerators to make them equivalent fractions. So I've multiplied the bottom fraction by the multiple. So 7 times 8 will give me 56. But what I do to the bottom, I need to do the top as well. So 1 times 8. And then on this side, to get my 8 to 56, I had to multiply it by 7. So what I did to my denominator, I have to do to my numerator as well. So 3 times 7. So now I can go and add them. So 8 plus 21, and my answer there will be 29 over 56. Now there are no common factors between these two numbers. Therefore, I cannot simplify this fraction further. So that will remain my answer. So you just need to look out for that next time. Okay, that is all that we will be doing today. Thank you.